Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you if you can put TikTok effects on an uploaded video. First of all, open the App Store or Play Store app and make sure that the TikTok app is updated to the latest version available. Now open it up, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you just need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and your TikTok camera will be launched. Inside it, you can either shoot a video in real time or just upload one from your local storage. After selecting the target media, you will be able to see a bunch of features at the right side of your screen. Simply tap on the arrow icon and their names will also appear. Inside it, tap on the effects icon and a bunch of variations in effects will be displayed. Now you just need to choose the appropriate effect and tap and hold on to it. After that, select other effects similarly, and when you are done, tap on the Save Embed at top right-hand corner. Once you do it, a preview will be displayed. Simply tap on the next button and the posting window will open up. Simply select your preferred settings and tap on the Post button. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.